All right, so you need to go to your Onshape. I have mine bookmarked. So you're going to open Onshape. I'm already signed in today, so it took me straight to my account. You're going to go to Create, Document. I'm sorry? Oh, okay. And then you are going to make document name, create document. So you're going to do this for both number 3 and number 10. So you're going to make sure that you put what number it is out of the lesson in here so I know. And I'm going to title this with your class period so that I can remember what I did with which class. And then once you get your title in, you're going to click create. And it's going to give you a blank document with your title. And remember, if you made a mistake in here, you can always click in your title. It goes blue, just like in Google Classroom or in any Google document. This is not a Google, but it's the same type of thing. And then you can just change whatever you need to change as long as your cursor's in there and it's not blue. All right. That's my initials. That way I know it's mine. I would like it if you put your name in there. You can put your initials in there, or you can just put your first name. All right. So remember, I like to hide the 2 planes I'm not working in. So I click the little eyeball. You can also click the plane when it's over here, but I just click the little eyeball. So our instructions say that we need to create a sketch of a concave polygon in CAD using only the line tool. So now we're going to click our geometry plane, and then we're going to click sketch, and then here's the line tool. So click the line tool, and we are going to create our item. And just for this purpose,
I'm gonna go bother CMG.
Okay. Okay. Okay, great. You know I'm recording, right? Okay, so we're going to create a polygon, and we're a concave polygon, and we're going to follow along here exactly. So it wants us to start right here on our dot marks the spot with our little X. And you'll notice that you're getting a line, or you're getting a degree here. It's telling you what the length is. So let's go that way, get back on our line. Let's come this way a little bit. Now we can tell it's in line. So then we come back and see how the ends are marked with these blue dots. As long as we stay in Sketch, or if we get out and then we come back to edit, all you have to do is click this line, click that dot, hold your cursor down, and drag up a line. And then you're going to drag a line again. And then we're going to come down. Is that going to line up? That's going to line up there. And then we're going to come straight across. And we're doing all of this without measurements. And if you notice the little dotted line that shows up, it's telling me when I'm in line with something else. So that's kind of goofy looking, but there's my concave. Doesn't really look like this. Again, we don't have measurements, but we can move it. And we have to go click our sketch, do a right click, do edit. And we can move our lines. As long as the line highlights yellow, you can move it. Now, when you're doing this on your own, you are not going to see this red circle that keeps popping up, because that red circle is for Screencastify to tell me to show you where I'm working. Okay, so let's pretend that is what we are looking for in our concave polygon right here. So the next step that it tells us is we need to extrude it. Select each line in your sketch one at a time and drag it. We just did that. Select each coincident point. These are coincident points. Okay. With your mouse, describe the behavior of the sketch. So what happens if we grab this and we're in editing mode? Nothing's going to happen unless you're in edit and you're still in sketch. So what happens? It changes the position. It moves it. So, and what does this line up to? Lines up to the other line, moves everything as a group. All right. Undo any of your changes and return to your original sketch from figure 1. Remember, this is undo. And now that we're done, there's no more changes. So we click yes. Finish your sketch. So finish your sketch. We basically have done that. Number 8, extrude the shape. Name and save your design. Well, we've already named it. So we need to extrude it. So we click our shape, extrude. How tall do we want it? 1 inch, 2 inch. You can change your inches. You can change um, your length here. Do you want it in centimeters? Change it that way. Which direction do you want it to go? Well, we just wanted to extrude up. So if you get an error, and I wanted to show you this one, extrude 1 did not regenerate properly. Select the face or sketch region to extrude. So let's delete this. And we want to extrude that. Whoop. We want to go back. All right. So we need to right click, edit, click extrude, and there we go. And now we have just extruded it. We've just made it taller. Look at that. Kind of funky looking. It looks like a crazy tape dispenser to me. Yes, sir. Yes, for all your vocabulary, you have to type an example, and you have to provide a picture, and you have to provide a synonym and an antonym. You know what? Onshape saves automatically. Yep. So, well, no, you can't type in the link. So when you're ready to submit number 3, after you've done all these steps 3 through 8, okay, then you're going to click share. You're going to click link sharing. You're going to click turn on. And then you're going to click copy to clipboard. Okay. And then this is that link you just copied is what you're going to post to Google Classroom. Yes. Okay. So you're going to do this. You're going to do number 3, and then you're going to do number 10 also on your own. You're going to do number 10 on your own. So number 10. So you're going to, number 9, you're going to start a new design. You're going to create a sketch similar to the one that's shown in the picture. This guy right here. A 10-sided concave polygon. All right. You're going to follow all these steps. And remember, whenever it says Fusion 360, we're using Onshape because you guys have Chromebooks to do this at home. Yes, sir. Yeah, you got to do number 3. And then you got to do another one. No, on a different file. Okay. So I want you to create. Yes. So you are going to create this shape in number 10 and submit that. Also including this shape. For my students that like to do their work and get it done on time, if you would like then to go on to number 11, 12, and do some work on your own, you can, but you don't have to, because you need this shape for us to do the next step of the lesson. You need number 10 for us to do the next lesson that we're going to do on the next class period. All right, so do number 3, do everything that's involved with the first shape. I'm calling it number 3 because that's where it starts talking about making the shape, and make the shape for number 9 and number 10. We will do 11 through the end of the lesson on the next class period. Okay? We're going to do all of this next class period, so you need to pay attention. So this is why I'm encouraging you to go in and play with it, experiment, get your shape made. 1.3.3. That's what this is. I'm getting up to number 9 here. Start a new design within the project you created. Ignore this part. Start a new project. This is what you're focusing on. Start a new design. You're not doing the rest of it. Okay? You're starting a new design. You're going to title it IED 133 number 10. So ignore this right here. Okay? And you're going to title it 1.3.3. Writing with a pen on a computer is like really weird. Okay? And title it number 10. Whee! That was so much fun. See, just like this is right here. But you're going to change this, and it's going to say number 10 on your new design. And then you're going to start right here. Create a sketch similar to the one shown. This sketch right here is what you're creating. So this sketch right here is what you're creating. So remember, you're going to click Create, Document, IED 1.3.3, number 10, and you can put your initials in there if you like, or put your class period, but I need your name. Okay. You can hide the planes you don't want to see. Whoops. There we go. And then this shape is what you are reconstructing right here. There we go. Enjoy.